Hi, Jason and Lori here, and today we're going to show you how to move the fold-down tables on our furniture track system. The tables are new to the furniture track system in 2021. It operates just like our sofas and dinettes, so now you have 3 pieces of furniture that you can configure any way you want to make your floor plan however you want it. They are the 6-foot sofas, the booth dinettes, and the fold-down tables. Our fold-down tables come in 30 inches, 48 inches, and 72 inches. Depending on the floor plan that you select, certain sizes only fit best in certain floor plans. That's why we have 3 choices. And this is the 45/28, so as you can see, we have one of every fold-down table in this floor plan because there's plenty of space. The only tool you will need to move furniture on the track is a 9/16 inch socket. One tip when moving any of your furniture is to count the number of empty spaces before you take them out of the wall track. That way you do the same number of spaces wherever else you're putting it on the wall track.